And here's the easiest way to extend your image background. First of all, unlock your layer and then select the crop tool. Hold down the Alt key and extend your image background size just like this. Then click on OK. And now click on Select, Subject. Again go to Select, click on Save Selection. Name here Subject. And click on OK. Now press Ctrl D to deselect the selection. And after that, go to Edit and click on Content Hour Scale. Click on Protect and select Subject because we don't want to extend subject. And now all you have to need, hold down the Alt key and extend your background just like this. Now click on Done. And that's how you can actually extend our background size.